Are you getting this error message in your PC? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to test your system memory. For this you just need to go to the Windows search, and herein you need to type memory, and you need to open this button, Windows Memory Diagnostic. So this is the option of Windows only, and it will automatically check your memory in your system, and make sure that it will restart your PC, so that you can save your all the documents, your programs, and save everything before restarting your PC, and it will resolve so many problems, memory related problems for you. So second step is to check for the hardware problem in your PC. For this you need to go to this computer. So this is this computer in my PC. I need to open it. There are some drives. You need to do it for individual, like C drive, D drive, any other drive which you have created. So let's go for C drive. Right click over the drive and C drive and click on properties, and herein you will get tools options here, and you need to click on check option in front of error checking. So just need to scan it, and it will scan your drive. You need to scan each drive one by one, but it will take some time because you need to do it for each drive one by one. So after scanning all the drives, you need to run check this command from the command prompt. So you need to go to Windows search and type in command prompt, and right click here and click on run as administrator, so that it will open this command prompt as administrator. You need to type CHKDSK, and it will check all the disk properly. It will show you all the errors or any problem in your space. For example, it is showing F parameter is not specified. So next step is to run the antivirus and anti-malware program in your system. You can download antivirus, anti-malware program from the any online. There are so many available, free or paid, so you can download any one of them. And the last step is to check for the RAM. You can go to any hardware engineer, and you can talk about this, but make sure to look for a hardware engineer because the person has expertise to check your RAM. After following all these steps, let me know in the comment box which steps helps you, and if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.